Hello fellow scratchers! Today I am going to show you how to make a platform race. So we'll have the blue base and the red base. Okay? For the blue base, we'll add a when green flag click code block. Okay? Then we'll go to the motion and add go to 0, x 0 and y 180. Okay? But first we'll duplicate the when green flag click. This will be our second job. We'll add the if statement and go to the operations. We'll add the equals, then code block and go to the looks. We'll add the costume number. So if the costume number is 10, now let's check on the costume. We have 20 costumes here. When it's costume number 20, then it will broadcast win. So we'll go to the code and write when the costume number is 20, we will broadcast the win, which is blue wins. We will broadcast blue win and add it in the if statement. Okay? We'll add the when green flag block too, and when another green flag click with the costume number on the red base. We'll make a new message called blue next level. So when it is blue next level, then the level for the blue base would switch to the next costume. We'll also add that for the red base. Instead, we'll change it to red next level. Okay? So, for the X and Y position, we'll change the X and Y position for the red base to 0, 0. You can see that the winner is on, so we'll close it. Okay? For the blue base, we will change the costume to costume 1 when it starts. Switch costume to costume 1. We'll also do that for the red base. Okay? Now we'll test it out. You can see that it works perfectly fine. There's our base. So if we click on code block, you can see that it will change to the next level. We'll have all the way to level 20. And when it's level 20, it should broadcast blue wins. But with that, we'll add a forever loop, so it ends forever, not just when the green flag clicks. You can see. You see? I'll make it to level 20. It'll show blue wins. I'll add a go to 0, 0 for the blue winners. I'll add it on red wins and blue wins. Okay. Now for the variables. We will add a new variable called x velocity and y velocity. Okay, so we will hide both of them away. For the winds, we will add a repeat loop. Repeat 10 times. We will change the ghost effect by -10. We'll add it for the blue winds too. Now we'll go to our blue player. We'll drag down and add a when green flag click. Go and add an if statement and a forever loop. In the if statement, add a touching and make it touch the color. So we'll go to the blue base costume and change it to a blue base that has the gray color. This will make it move faster. Okay, let me just adjust this. And I'll go to change the blue base color. Go to the costumes. Blue base, the one with the gray one. We'll use the eye drop and drop the color gray. Okay, so if it's touching gray, it would change the x velocity by 10. By 10. Okay. For the red player, we'll make it show. We'll add a when green flag block for the blue player and make it go to the coordinates of where it is right now. We'll also do that for the red player. We'll make it the coordinate x go to -220 and for the y coordinates -30. This is where it will normally be. We also put this code block for the red too. Okay, now we're both same. We'll add a when green flag code block and add a forever loop. So when it touches the spike, touching the color black. Okay, then we'll change y velocity and the x velocity to 0. Go to the variables. X velocity to 0 and the y velocity to 0. And we'll make it go to its original state. We'll also add this code block to the red. Okay, it's right behind. There we go. Okay,